Welcome to today's video, where we're going to unlock the secrets to staying youthful and full of energy as you age. Getting older is a natural part of life, but did you know that certain fruits can be your secret allies in the fight against aging? These fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help slow down the aging process, boost your health, and keep you looking and feeling young. So, let's dive into the world of these rejuvenating fruits and discover their incredible benefits. Number 1. Kiwi. Our first anti-aging superstar is the kiwi, also known as kiwi fruit. Despite their small size, these fruits are nutritional powerhouses that originated in China and are named after New Zealand's national bird. When you cut a kiwi open, you'll find vibrant green or golden insides, loaded with health benefits. Kiwis are bursting with vitamin C, even more than oranges, making them an immune-boosting champion. They're also an excellent source of vitamin K for strong bones, vitamin E for cell protection, and dietary fiber for a healthy digestive system. But what makes kiwis truly remarkable is their unique combination of antioxidants. These antioxidants, including vitamin E, polyphenols, and carotenoids, are like your body's defense squad, fighting off harmful free radicals that accelerate aging and lead to serious diseases like heart problems and cancer. And here's an interesting tip: don't peel off the kiwi skin. It's edible and packed with fiber and vitamin C, so it's even more nutritious when consumed with the skin. Number 2. Strawberries. Next up, we have the delightful strawberries. These heart-shaped berries aren't just delicious, they're also fantastic for your health. Strawberries are loaded with vitamin C, exceeding your daily requirement in just a small serving. This vitamin is your body's defense against illness and aids in repairing damaged tissues. Apart from vitamin C, strawberries provide essential minerals like manganese, which supports your brain and nervous system, and folate, particularly important for expectant mothers. Strawberries are also rich in dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion, and their antioxidants, including anthocyanins and ellagic acid, are your skin's best friends. They protect your skin from oxidative stress, reducing wrinkles, and maintaining a youthful appearance. But strawberries aren't just about looking good, they do wonders for your heart too. They help reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, and maintain healthy blood pressure. Number 3. Oranges. Last but not least, let's talk about oranges. These juicy citrus fruits are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Oranges are renowned for their high vitamin C content, making them a powerful immune booster. Just one medium-sized orange provides more vitamin C than you need in a day. But that's not all. Oranges contain essential B vitamins like thiamine and folate, providing energy and promoting proper cell growth. Oranges are also rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion, helps manage cholesterol levels, and stabilizes blood sugar. And let's not forget about their antioxidants, like flavonoids and carotenoids, which protect your body from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of heart disease and cancer. And guess what? Oranges are not just an inside job. They work wonders for your skin too. Vitamin C in oranges helps your skin stay elastic and firm by promoting collagen production. These antioxidants safeguard your skin from harmful UV rays and free radicals, ensuring a youthful appearance. So, how can you incorporate these anti-aging fruits into your diet? You can enjoy them as a refreshing snack, add them to your salads, blend them into rejuvenating smoothies, or use them as a delightful topping for yogurt, oatmeal, or even desserts. Incorporating these anti-aging fruits, kiwis, strawberries, and oranges into your daily diet can provide you with a wide range of health benefits while offering a delicious and nutritious experience. Remember to eat them as part of a balanced diet for the best results. So, there you have it. nature's secret to staying youthful and full of energy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness. Stay young, stay healthy, and keep enjoying these fantastic anti-aging fruits.